USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about the US dollar against yen. Before we start the analysis, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video, you'll find some links so you can go and check out the brokers and join the free Telegram channel if you want some pre-signals and this membership. So if you want maximum benefits out of your Forex trading and gold trading, then make sure you go and join this monthly membership as well. So check out these links after watching this video. Coming back to the analysis of dollar against yen. Let's start the top-down approach with weekly chart. In weekly, we are in the trend reversal. You can see, so week 1, 2, 3 going up, 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 up. So 3 red candles. That means trend is reversing. We are going up now. In Delhi, you can see clearly here, new trend, pullback, new high, pullback, kind of. The new high is created already. So all the previous highs are broken and we have rejection from the EMA. Two possibilities, either we'll cross the EMA and continue the uptrend or we'll continue the downtrend. But let's see what we have in 4 hour. In 4 hour, we are clearly above the EMA, and let's see, this was at 87, this one was 90. So this previous high is broken. Okay, so we are in the uptrend now, and then after this uptrend pullback, and then we are going up, rejection here coming. So if you're smart enough, enter buy now as soon the market opens and take your profit somewhere here. Okay, so the way I see it, if you enter long right now in 4 hour, you can take your 50 pips and walk away. So I gave you 50 pips for free right now. Overall, trend is reversing and look for long opportunities in USDJPY. And in 4 hour, you can enter buy right now if you want to. Otherwise, I'm recording the video at a different time. You're watching the video at a different time. And live action, or we enter live trades at a different time. So if you want some live action, make sure you join the membership. For now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share this video with your trading friends. And I'll see you in my next analysis. Till then, have a good night.